Hello and welcome, and in this video I'm going to be unboxing the Philips MMS2625B 2.1 Bluetooth speakers. Now this is what they look like. As you can see, there's your woofer and you have your two satellite speakers. This has an sound output of 3000 watts, so it's pretty awesome. It also supports USB. It has an inbuilt FM radio, and of course there's an aux audio in. Let's see what else we've got. Okay, just repeats the same things, nothing else over here. Alright, so let's just go ahead and unbox this. This is a little packet that contains your user manual and a remote control, and of course an audio cable. Just take that, put it off to the side. Right on top are both your two satellite speakers. And below that is your subwoofer. So there you have it. That's what you get in the box when you unbox the Philips MMS2625B 2.1 Bluetooth speakers. We hope you found this video useful. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.